Just thinking
Next, Justin, his brother.
with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft.
Okay, ikaw taga-picture ha.
So beautiful.
Tignan mo si E.
My son is going to turn 12
Talaga.
and going first year also. On May 8th.
Napag-promote?
Next po si
Tignan mo si
Tito Ronnie.
Ronnie, my brother. My brother.
Okay, ikaw taga-picture ha. Kasi ako taga-video.
You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl.
Next po si Daddy Winnie po.
Next, si Daddy Willie.
You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow sky. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my
Yan ang aming
Si Iya.
Iya. To the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wave
si Daddy Willie ang tumulong sa amin sa lahat-lahat dito.
and
Sa 1 week preparation.
and it seems me
Next naman yung kapatid ko, si Junjun.
it's
Call him Junjun.
rest
Ang cousin niya.
just to be with you and can you feel the love tonight is what
Nag-memory full yan tayo. Pagka-beat yun, lakas
it's
Nice sa to eh.
Yan ang kanyang cousin.
Ah, si ano.
Without a doubt, I give you all my life. Now and forever till
Next po si Kuya Bojo.
I die.
Bojo.
You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. So I sing. I'd be happy just to stay this way. Spend each day with you.
Para sila lang.
There was a time I just never lose my mind.
Oo. Sige dito, ikaw talaga
Next
picture
naman
ako
si
with you.
Kuya Eton.
Other cousin. Yan ang kanyang cousin na gumawa ng aming barbecue. Mamaya, marami tayong barbecue dyan. Kasi western, may paa, may what else?
May isaw.
May isaw at may Betamax. Marami tayong barbecue dyan, mamaya.
Okay, next naman si Kuya Warlie.
Maraming salamat sa paggawa ng barbecue.
Ang layo ng mga pinagkakagalingan nila.
Nakakuha ko.
Yan ang aming kamag-anak na payaman. Payaman na yan.
Watching trains go by.
Next naman, yung... Next, si Ren.
Next ay si Ren.
Ren.
Ren is a classmate from...
Ang pila ko.
Okay. Come on down, Ren.
Wait lang. Totoo.
Ah, ito pala si Ren. Yes, Ren.
Ren with Mami.
Ren pala. Kilala na kita.
The color that won't stop me. Still right
Next, yung... next, si John Paul.
John Paul. John Paul.
Serio.
Si John Paul ang kasama namin sa lahat-lahat. Di kami natulog ng 2 araw. Ang preparation. Salamat John Paul sa iyong mga tulong.
Next naman, si Gerald. High school friend. High school friend namin ni Gian. Bali, tumatayo siyang kuya ni Gian.
Ay, hello.
Since third year. At second year pala.
Si Iya. Si Iya talaga.
bigger than emotional love. Still alone now. Pretty faces from the covers of
Next, let's call in Arthur, classmate from Montessori.
Yeah.
Elementary naman. Elementary classmate. Hanggang ngayon, pareho silang mukhang elementary.
Oo nga naman.
Si Bossing
Mamaya ka. Kuya Beth.
Is a classmate of my daughter, my eldest daughter, and her crush daw, nung siya ay bata.
Hindi ako.
Kasama ang girlfriend. Behar is always family friend. Lagi siya nasa bahay kumakain. Mga friends to ng aking anak. Next, let's call in.
Si Daddy Aaron Vision. Bali, friend namin siya ni Gian nung high school din.
Si Iya
Close
talaga.
friend siya ni Gian. Bali, nagiging bulwagan ni Gian ng mga sikreto niya.
Sarah, hindi dito maririnig niyan. Si magkamukha sila, magkakapig sila yun. Magkakapig sila ganun pa. Si sumasayaw din naman.
Let's call in the next friend.
Next naman si Earl, yung... Basta si Earl. Si Earl, yung crush ni Gian.
Ang daming crush. Puro crush lang naman.
Wala rin siyang partner. Ganit yan.